Internet. What is up? We are back. We are going to do a sneaker unboxing. That's what it told you in the video description, right? Not the whatever. The title of the video said it's an unboxing. You know what that is. That's unboxing things. People do it all the time. What do we got here? We have a box. This thing just arrived today. Literally hit my front porch about probably an hour ago. Probably an hour. We like when we get the boxes from the FedEx or the UPS that have the little tamper tape on them. Yeah, that means you're getting something fancy, right? Yeah, we're getting fancy shit. All right, let's open this up. Let's see what this is all about. You get to be part of it. You're all part of it. While I'm doing this, why don't you like and comment and subscribe? Hit the like button. All right, what do we got here? We're gonna open this up. We got some paper here. We have, yeah, that's a receipt. That can go over here. I'll toss that away later. And throw this. What do we got here, kids? Oh, this is from the Fancy Pants store. Yeah, this is not a shoe for me. It's not. It's for the wife. They released these shoes. A little history here. First, we got Air Force One Low SP, and we have linen, atmosphere, white, and white. All right, so we got two different kind of whites. Here, I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you this thing. Let's see if we can get it to focus. We can. There we go. We see that this is in an odd size, right? It's a 6.5 Y. All right, now, the history lesson. Apparently back in 2001, Nike did a special release of a shoe under the linen colorway for strictly the Japanese market. Apparently it's fairly popular. Sure, why not? It can be popular. Then in 2016, Kith went and reintroduced it. Kith is a fancy pants store. They got some, they got different shops around. The closest one to us is Chicago. I'm here in St. Louis, but yeah, Middle America. There we go. They got them out on the West Coast. They got them out on the East Coast. They got them over in the UK, Europe, whatever. My wife and daughter, they went to Paris not too long ago, and they stopped in there. They went and checked it out. But yeah, so Kith did a collaboration here. Nike by Kith. Let's open this up. Oh, what do we got here? We got a little Kith paper. There you go. You can see that, right? Yeah, that looks happy. So they did this shoe here, and I'll get to it. It's been 3 minutes. I ain't shown you a shoe yet. There you go. Sorry about that. This is yeah, this is kind of a pink, and it's got some white in here, and I'm going to take this out. You don't need to see this, do you? You know what paper is. So this shoe released on July 20th. There was a pre-raffle kind of shenanigans that went on. I joined this because they were only releasing the kids sizes up to youth 7. And you could get in a raffle for it, and then on the 20th you could get out there and you could try to buy it. It sold out really quick. But on the 20th I was able to get a pair in the adult size. It's gonna take 4 months to get it. Whatever, you don't need to know about all that. That's all in the past. We got here. This is this Air Force One 07 silhouette. We got there you go. I'm gonna let you look at that. This is nice. Got the standard Air Force One outsole. got the little white midsole with the with the little air going on here. Look, they put it in the tan color. That was nice of them. You go on the back side here. What does it say? It says Kith. Yeah, Kith Air. That's awfully slick. We got the white. I kind of like the little. This is better materials than most of this stuff. I got Supreme Air Force Ones sitting back there, and they don't make stuff quite like Kith does. Yeah, then we got the swooshes on the medial side. We got the swooshes on the outside. I don't know what that's called. It's the outside of your foot. But the tan is kind of a little bit of pebbled leather. That's soft. This is good materials, kids. This is proper like. I was kind of hoping that this would be quality made. I'm not disappointed by this at all. I think the wifey, she's going to be happy with this, I think. She's going to be mad that I bought her more shoes, but hey, that's all right. She'll be happy once she sees these. Look at this. Oh, what else did they do here? Here's the other shoe. No, I'm gonna, should I get rid of the box? No, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna set this. I set these things on my lap because I don't have a proper place to do these videos. I do do videos like poor people. Yeah, let me get rid of this other thing here. I'm gonna get rid of that paper. Look at this. We got extra laces here. We got kind of a tan lace. There you go. I'll show you in the video. We got a tan lace and we got a pink lace. The little bags say Nike on them. Yeah, we weren't sure what they were from. We thought, whatever. It's fine. Yeah, this shoe looks the same as the other one, except for the other foot. We'll take a look here. There you go. You got the little air on the back. With the tan. You got, here, I'll use this one. We'll go here. We're going to pull the tongue out. I'll let you see what it says inside there. There you go. It says Kith Air again. Same thing here. We'll do this. Let's do this number. Yeah, that's fancy. These are, again, you may have heard me say before, I don't use that buttery leather expression all that much. I hear other people using it. Maybe I just buy shoes that are cheaper, whatever. But yeah, this is soft and buttery. I like it. We got kind of the little mud guard around here. We're using the smooth leather on this back panel and wrapping around both sides. We got smooth leather up on the heel tab with the Kith. We showed you that already. But then here on the toe, I don't know, what is the toe box? Let's see here. Toe box looks kind of smooth, but this mid panel's got kind of a little texture to it. I don't know. I can't tell if it's on all the sides. There's a little bit of texture. Yeah, so the thing about this, the thing about this pair of shoes is Kith charges a premium for their stuff. Their adult sizes are about $150 a pair. But if you buy the kid size, if you have the tiny feet, or your wife has the tiny feet, or whoever's watching this, if you know somebody with the tiny feet and you want to get them decent shoes, you get them the kid size, because this, what did I say? It's a 6.5, right? 6.5 wide. There we go. We'll put that up there. We'll put that up there one more again. 6.5 wide. Yeah, that 6.5 youth, this is the same as a woman's 8 here in the States. Here in middle America, wifey's going to be able to, oh, I didn't know, wait a minute. Look, I didn't show you the little tag. It's apparently a little lace dubray. Yeah, I do a lot more of the, can you see that? I think you can. All right. I'm looking at the little clock here. We're at 10 minutes. That's okay, right? We're 10 minutes in, and this is okay. These are, I gotta say, overall, I am very, very impressed with this shoe. And it kind of takes me a little bit to be impressed with an Air Force One. I'm not the enormous fan of the silhouette. I think it's a little bit bulky. Like I said, I got one. I got a pair of these on their way. It said it's going to take 4 months because they're the adult sizes are all made to order. So you had to order them, and yeah, I guess I'm going to see them somewhere around November, maybe. We'll do another video then. Oh, look at the little stars on there. I saw the little stars. There you go. You got them up front. Is that a... yeah, we got little stars. We got the little Nike on the bottom. That's nice of them. Yeah, overall, kids, I gotta say, this is, I am impressed. And I don't get impressed very often. I like these. I like the, not sure what color laces will go in them. I think that we might just continue to rock the white ones, because that's a good vibe. But then again, I don't know, that outsole tan and the little swish we got going on here. Did we do this yet? Did we do that number? I don't know. We got that. There you are. You can see what all these things look like. There's more stars on the back. Huh. That's a thing that they did. All right. So, yeah, what do you think? If you hit the like, if you commented, put a little comment down there. Don't say mean shit. Just put something nice. And tell me if you want to keep seeing this kind of shenanigans from me. I do nonsense, right? It's all right. What do you think? Is wifey going to be mad at me that I bought her more shoes? She's got another pair over here. I'm not going to do a review on the other pair. Hold on 1 second. You just wait a minute. I'm going to reach over here. There you go. There, she got another pair. I'm not going to talk about these. I'm not going to do a video on this because I do sneaker videos. I like the sneakers. But she got the Sperry's from Aritzia. They were on sale. On sale's good. We like being on sale. So, yeah. All right. Nike Air Force Ones by Kith. There you go. This is the unlinen. This is the unlinen collection. All right. I think I'm about done talking about this. I'm going to go through and I'm going to post this. I typically do my videos. I put a little schedule to it. I was going to do unboxing and new shoe videos I'll upload them every Saturday. And then if you've seen my 2-minute sneaker review videos that never end up being only 2 minutes, I'm going to do those on like Mondays and Thursdays. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I may get bored and just get disinterested in the whole thing. But for right now, that's the plan. New sneakers on Saturdays. Mondays and Thursdays we'll review some random pair from my shelf. And then last couple weeks I've been doing the nonsense with the browsing the internet and looking at new releases that are coming out and sale prices. Telling you what I'd buy and what I don't care for. But yeah, I'm glad I bought these. Wifey's gonna be she's gonna be surprised. All right, I'm going to put these down. You guys be good. Be good people.